Have you ever wondered why some plants grow faster, look greener, and appear full of life, while others remain weak no matter how much care they receive? The secret is not always expensive fertilizers or complicated gardening techniques. Sometimes, the most powerful plant nutrients are already present in your own kitchen, quietly waiting to be used. In this video, you will discover 3 highly effective homemade liquid fertilizers that can help strengthen roots, improve leaf health, and support faster plant growth using simple, natural ingredients. These methods are easy to prepare, safe for plants, and suitable for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Let us begin the journey toward healthier and stronger plants. 1. Rice water fertilizer for fast growth. Rice water is one of the easiest, safest, and most effective natural fertilizers that you can prepare at home without spending any money. Many people wash rice every day but do not realize that the cloudy water they throw away is actually full of nutrients that plants can use to grow faster and healthier. This simple kitchen ingredient contains small amounts of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, amino acids, and natural starch, all of which help improve soil quality and support plant development. When plants receive these gentle nutrients regularly, they often show visible improvement in growth, speed, leaf color, and overall strength. The reason rice water works so well is because the natural starch present in the water helps feed beneficial microorganisms in the soil. These microorganisms play an important role in breaking down organic matter and making nutrients easier for plant roots to absorb. When the soil has active and healthy microorganisms, plants are better able to take in the nutrients they need for steady and balanced growth. This process improves root development, encourages greener leaves, and supports stronger stems. Over time, plants that receive proper nourishment from natural sources often become more resilient and better able to adapt to environmental changes. Preparing rice water fertilizer is very simple and does not require any special equipment. When you wash rice before cooking, collect the water in a clean bowl instead of throwing it away. It is recommended to use plain rice without adding salt or spices, because added ingredients can harm the plant roots. After collecting the rice water, allow it to sit at room temperature for about 24 hours. During this resting period, beneficial compounds become more available, and the water becomes more effective as a gentle fertilizer. Some gardeners prefer to keep the container slightly covered to prevent dust from entering while still allowing air circulation. After the rice water has rested, it is best to dilute it before using it on plants. Mix 1 cup of rice water with 1 cup of clean, normal water. Dilution is important because concentrated nutrients, even natural ones, can sometimes be too strong for delicate roots. A balanced mixture ensures that plants receive the right amount of nutrition without stress. Once the mixture is ready, slowly pour the liquid into the soil near the base of the plant. Avoid pouring directly onto the leaves because the main goal is to nourish the roots, where nutrient absorption takes place. Using rice water fertilizer once every 7 to 10 days is usually enough to support plant growth. Overuse is not necessary because plants need time to absorb nutrients gradually. Consistency is more important than quantity. With regular application, many gardeners notice that their plants begin to produce healthier leaves with a deeper green color, which is often a sign that the plant is receiving proper nourishment. Strong roots develop under the soil surface, allowing the plant to absorb water more efficiently and maintain stability as it grows. Rice water fertilizer can be used for a wide variety of plants, including indoor plants, herbs, vegetables, and flowering plants. It is especially helpful for plants that appear weak or are growing slowly. Because it is natural and mild, it reduces the risk of over-fertilizing, which is a common problem when using strong chemical products. Natural solutions often work in harmony with the soil, gradually improving its structure and fertility over time. Another advantage of rice water fertilizer is that it supports sustainable gardening. Instead of wasting useful nutrients, you are recycling a natural resource that can contribute to healthier plants. This simple habit not only reduces kitchen waste, but also promotes an environmentally friendly approach to plant care. Small actions like saving rice water can make a meaningful difference when practiced regularly. Patience is important when using natural fertilizers because results may appear gradually rather than instantly. However, steady improvement often leads to long-lasting plant health. By consistently providing gentle nutrition through rice water, you create a supportive environment where plants can grow stronger, develop vibrant leaves, and maintain balanced growth. A simple daily practice can become a powerful step toward maintaining healthier and more beautiful plants. 2. Banana peel liquid fertilizer for strong roots and flowers. Banana peel is one of the most valuable natural ingredients that can be used to support healthy plant growth. Many people throw banana peels into the trash without realizing that they contain important nutrients that plants need for proper development. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and small amounts of magnesium. These nutrients play a very important role in strengthening plant roots, improving plant structure, and encouraging better flowering. When plants receive enough potassium, they often become stronger, more balanced, and more capable of producing vibrant flowers and healthy leaves. Potassium is especially important because it helps plants regulate water movement, strengthen internal plant tissues, and improve resistance against stress. Plants that receive sufficient potassium are often better able to handle environmental challenges such as temperature changes or inconsistent watering. Phosphorus supports strong root development and helps plants store and transfer energy efficiently. Calcium helps maintain plant cell strength, which supports the stability of stems and leaves. Together, these nutrients create a strong foundation that allows plants to grow in a healthy and balanced way. Preparing banana peel liquid fertilizer is simple and requires only a small amount of time. Instead of discarding banana peels, collect 1 or 2 fresh peels and cut them into small pieces. Cutting the peels into smaller sections helps release nutrients more effectively into the water. Place the cut pieces into a clean container and add 2 cups of water. The container should be kept at room temperature for about 24 to 48 hours. During this soaking period, the water slowly absorbs essential nutrients from the banana peel. As the peels remain in the water, important minerals gradually transfer into the liquid, creating a gentle but effective natural fertilizer. Some gardeners prefer to cover the container lightly to prevent dust from entering, while still allowing air circulation. After the soaking period is complete, strain the liquid to remove the peel pieces. The remaining liquid contains plant-friendly nutrients that can support growth and flowering. Before applying the fertilizer, it is recommended to dilute the liquid by mixing 1 part banana peel water with 1 part normal water. Dilution helps ensure that the nutrients are balanced and safe for plant roots. Even natural fertilizers should be used in moderation to avoid overwhelming the plant. Once diluted, slowly pour the mixture into the soil around the base of the plant. Applying the fertilizer directly to the soil allows the roots to absorb nutrients effectively. Banana peel liquid fertilizer can be used once every 10 to 15 days. Regular use can help plants develop stronger roots, thicker stems, and improved flowering ability. Flowering plants especially benefit from potassium-rich nutrients because potassium plays a key role in bud formation and flower development. When plants receive balanced nutrition, they are more likely to produce healthy buds that eventually open into vibrant flowers. This natural fertilizer can be used for many types of plants, including flowering plants, vegetables, herbs, and indoor plants. Plants that appear weak or produce fewer flowers may benefit from consistent use of banana peel fertilizer. Over time, the soil may also improve because natural nutrients support beneficial microorganisms that help maintain soil fertility. Using banana peels as fertilizer also promotes environmentally responsible gardening. Instead of throwing away organic material, you are turning kitchen waste into something useful that supports plant health. This simple practice reduces waste while providing plants with gentle and steady nourishment. Natural fertilizers often improve soil gradually, helping plants grow in a more stable and balanced environment. Results may not appear instantly, but with patience and consistent care, many gardeners observe noticeable improvements in plant strength and flowering patterns. Leaves may appear healthier, stems may become stronger, and plants may show better overall growth. Small natural changes in plant care habits can lead to meaningful improvements over time. By using banana peel liquid fertilizer regularly and responsibly, you provide plants with essential nutrients that support long-term growth. Simple natural solutions can often be very effective when used with consistency and attention. Healthy roots and balanced nutrition create the conditions that allow plants to grow strong, stable, and capable of producing beautiful flowers. 3. Eggshell liquid fertilizer for healthy leaves. Eggshells are one of the most useful natural resources that can be used to improve plant health. Yet many people throw them away without realizing their true value. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which is an essential nutrient that helps plants develop strong cell walls and maintain healthy growth. Calcium plays a very important role in supporting the overall structure of plants. It helps leaves remain firm, supports stem strength, and allows plants to grow in a balanced and stable way. When plants receive enough calcium, they are better able to absorb other nutrients from the soil, which leads to stronger development over time. One of the common problems many gardeners face is weak plant structure, slow leaf development, or leaves that begin to turn pale or yellow. In many cases, this can be related to a lack of available calcium in the soil. Calcium deficiency may prevent plants from developing properly because it affects the formation of healthy plant tissues. When the structure of plant cells is weak, leaves may appear thin, growth may slow down, and plants may struggle to maintain strong stems. Providing a natural source of calcium can help improve these conditions gradually and safely. Eggshell liquid fertilizer works by slowly releasing calcium into the water, creating a gentle and absorbable nutrient solution. This natural fertilizer supports plants without exposing them to strong chemicals. Over time, consistent use of eggshell fertilizer can help improve leaf appearance, support stronger stems, and encourage more balanced plant growth. Because calcium is involved in many internal plant processes, it contributes to healthier development from the roots to the leaves. Preparing eggshell liquid fertilizer is simple and does not require expensive materials. Begin by collecting eggshells after using eggs in your kitchen. It is recommended to rinse the shells with clean water to remove any remaining egg residue. Cleaning the shells helps prevent unwanted odor and keeps the solution fresh. After cleaning, allow the shells to dry completely. Dry shells are easier to crush and release nutrients more effectively. 2. Once the shells are dry, crush them into very small pieces or grind them into a coarse powder. Smaller particles increase the surface area of the shells, which helps release calcium more efficiently into the water. After crushing the shells, place the powder or small pieces into a clean container. Add approximately 2 cups of water to the container and allow the mixture to sit for about 24 hours. During this resting period, calcium and trace minerals begin to move into the water. Some gardeners prefer to boil the eggshells before soaking them. Boiling can help soften the shells and allow nutrients to be released more quickly. If boiling is used, allow the shells to cool before adding them to the soaking water. Both methods can be effective, and gardeners may choose the approach that best fits their routine. After the soaking period is complete, strain the liquid to remove solid shell particles. The remaining liquid contains dissolved calcium and trace nutrients that plants can absorb gradually. Before applying the fertilizer, it is recommended to dilute the solution by mixing equal amounts of eggshell liquid and normal water. Dilution helps maintain a balanced concentration that is gentle on plant roots. Apply the diluted liquid slowly into the soil near the base of the plant. Avoid pouring the liquid directly onto the leaves because roots are responsible for absorbing most nutrients. Using the fertilizer once every 2 weeks is usually enough to provide beneficial calcium support. Plants require time to absorb nutrients gradually, so consistent use over time is more effective than frequent heavy application. Eggshell liquid fertilizer is especially useful for leafy plants, vegetable plants, and indoor plants that require strong structural support. Plants such as tomatoes, peppers, spinach, and many decorative indoor plants often benefit from calcium-rich nutrition. When calcium levels are balanced, leaves may appear thicker, greener, and healthier. Stems may also become stronger, helping plants remain stable as they grow taller. Healthy leaves are very important because leaves are responsible for photosynthesis, the process through which plants create energy from sunlight. When leaves are strong and well-nourished, they are better able to produce the energy required for growth and development. This energy supports root expansion, stem strength, and overall plant vitality. Calcium contributes to the efficiency of these natural processes, helping plants grow in a steady and balanced manner. Another advantage of eggshell fertilizer is that it improves soil quality over time. Natural calcium can help balance soil acidity and create a more supportive environment for beneficial microorganisms. Healthy soil supports long-term plant growth because it allows roots to absorb nutrients more effectively. Instead of providing a temporary solution, natural fertilizers often improve the growing environment gradually. Using eggshells as fertilizer also promotes environmentally responsible habits. Instead of discarding useful organic material, you are reusing it in a way that benefits plant health. Sustainable gardening practices reduce waste and encourage thoughtful use of available resources. Small changes in daily habits can create meaningful improvements in plant care routines. It is important to remember that natural fertilizers often show results gradually. Patience and consistency are essential when using gentle nutrient sources. Plants respond best when they receive steady care over time rather than sudden changes. With regular use of eggshell liquid fertilizer, many gardeners observe improvements in leaf strength, plant stability, and overall appearance. Simple natural ingredients can provide powerful support for plant growth when used properly. Eggshells, which are often overlooked, can become an important part of a balanced plant care routine. By providing calcium in a gentle and natural form, you help create the conditions necessary for plants to grow strong, develop healthy leaves, and maintain steady progress throughout their life cycle. Healthy plants do not always require expensive products or complicated methods. Sometimes, the most effective solutions are simple, natural, and already available in our daily lives. With rice water, banana peel liquid, and eggshell fertilizer, you can provide important nutrients that help plants grow faster, develop stronger roots, and produce healthier leaves. Consistency, patience, and proper care are the keys to successful plant growth. Small, natural steps, when practiced regularly, can create long-lasting improvement in plant health and soil quality. By using these simple homemade fertilizers, you are not only supporting your plants, but also building a more sustainable and mindful gardening habit. Thank you for spending your time learning with Global Plant Academy. Continue exploring, continue growing, and continue caring for your plants with knowledge and dedication. Healthy plants create a more peaceful and refreshing environment, and every small effort you make brings you closer to a greener space.